Hello! I really love sweets, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a roll cake keychain. If you like it, let me know! If you love my videos, please give me a like or leave a comment below. Make a slip knot, chain 37. Turn back into the third chain from the hook. Crochet 35 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'Chain 2 and turn the piece. From row 2 to row 7, crochet 35 double crochets, then chain 2 and turn the piece to continue. Stop at row 7. Cut the yarn and the large crochet piece is complete. So easy, right? The pattern is similar to the large crochet piece, but we only chain 27. Then turn back and crochet 2 double crochet stitches. I'll display the pattern on the screen for you. Now crochet the flower for decoration. Create a magic ring. Crochet 10 single crochet stitches into the ring. Finish off with a slip stitch. Chain 2. Chain 2. Crochet a double. A triple crochet stitch. A double crochet stitch in the same stitch. Chain 2. slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue by chaining 2. Crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet. Then crochet according to the pattern, 2 chains, 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat until you have 5 petals. Crochet separate flower petals. Use the petal pattern from the screen to crochet separate flower petals. First, create a magic ring. Chain 2, then crochet 1 double crochet into the magic ring. Crochet 1 treble crochet. One double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 slip stitch. Cut yarn. For the flower with 1 missing petal, follow the flower pattern as I have guided, but do not crochet the last petal. Now we will assemble the rolled cake. Place the larger piece on the outside and the smaller piece on the inside. Watch how I position them. Roll them up and glue them together. Roll them up and glue them together. Then glue the flower on. Use a jewelry jump ring to attach the flower for hanging below. For the hanging cord, crochet about 100 chain stitches. I hope you enjoy this tutorial video. If you have any issues with the video, please leave a comment below. Thank you and see you in the next videos.